Natureful Hyaluronic Acid Serum with Vitamin C 100%. Women agree, top-rated best hyaluronic acid serum with vitamin C instantly hydrates, fine lines disappear. Watch years of skin damage, age spots, and wrinkles fill in and fade away, smoother skin after just one use. This revolutionary anti-wrinkle skincare formula deeply hydrates and plumps skin to diminish fine lines and wrinkles. You'll be thrilled as you watch day by day as your fine lines vanish and your skin feels dewy fresh. Continued use reduces the visible signs of aging, effortlessly restoring time-damaged skin for a more youthful look. Imagine watching your fine lines fade away and wrinkles fill in and disappear. Calls hyaluronic acid tried and true and seriously good for your skin, and with this proven youth rejuvenating formula you'll see visible results the first application and a more youthful appearance faster than any other product you've ever used. Buy this hyaluronic acid serum and watch as years of age and damage fade away. Hyaluronic acid will give you intense hydration, banishing your wrinkles and making you look years younger. Vitamin A works for anti-aging, accelerates cell renewal, stimulates collagen production. Vitamin C improves your skin tone, smoothness, and elasticity. Vitamin D3 will moisturize, nurture, and support your skin and help reduce sagging. Vitamin E to heal and restore your skin by defending it against stress, the sun, and harmful environmental toxins. See visibly firmer skin, smaller pore sizes, and a more youthful look with a radiant hyaluronic acid serum will give you the age-defying and youth-restoring look you want to see and feel. Buy while supplies last. 2.5% Retinol Moisturizer Cream for face with vitamin. I like this mainly as a moisturizer and secondly as a retinol product. There are purer retinols out there, they usually look like clear gel, but this one has a few extra ingredients that make it a great moisturizer, though I'm not sure that it smooths as good as other retinols I've tried. When I put this on, I feel like my skin just took a big old drink of water. It's been sipping its whole life and didn't even know there was more until this fire hose hits you. Seriously. In a good way for me. But, I could see how some people might find it makes their skin claustrophobic. It comes in a 4 ounces bottle. This is the largest retinol serum I've seen by far. Good value if it ends up working. I say if, because I've noticed some retinols will show results immediately upon my waking up. I'll look in the mirror and notice a slight softening overall. This did not give me that effect. The not so good, others have complaints about parabens and mineral oil. While I am concerned about toxicity of skin products, these haven't been proven to be harmful, yet. So, for my money, I'm okay using it, but if I ever learn that it has been proven, I'll toss this out without a second thought. I would recommend this to anybody who wants a great moisturizer, but I cannot in good conscience recommend it as a good retinol serum. If I change my mind, I will update it. If you found this review helpful at all, please vote yes. Thanks. Supreme Retinol Moisturizer Cream by WiseNaturals. Perfect Recapture a youthful appearance with the Day and Night Ultimate Retinol Moisturizer Facial Cream. Forget all those creams of the past that irritated your skin and caused even more breakouts than before. Try now the 92% organic moisturizer, because your face deserves the best treatment of the world. Advanced 2.5% retinol cream for supreme anti-aging and wrinkle experiences. Watch your face's texture improve day by day, thanks to active retinol known as vitamin A. Boost your confidence and fight face lines and wrinkles. Along with the hyaluronic acid and organic aloe vera, jojoba oil, shea butter, and propolis, these wonderfully mixed ingredients will restore firmness and skin's elasticity. Instant breakout control and blemish reduction in a natural way, away from harsh chemicals and parabens. An effective formula that will keep your skin hydrated and healthy for much longer. WiseNaturals cleverly made this moisturizer not only to help your skin reverse signs of aging, but also to keep your beautiful face healthy. Touch now a clearer, smoother, and flawless complexion thanks to the majestic Pure Moisturizer. What are you waiting for? Get yours today and nourish your skin in the most natural way possible. Scroll up and click Add to Cart now while supplies last. Cigarette Eye Gel Facial Day Moisture Night Cream Anti-Wrinkle Facial Serum Body. Really happy with these products, nice and light on the skin, not too greasy. Pleasant smell. The eye gel is especially good, very cool when applied. Cost was almost half the price I would have had to pay here in Australia, so am very happy with that as well. Allegresse 24K Gold Silhouette Moisturizer Cream Lotion for All. Allegresse 24K Gold Silhouette Eye Cream packed with beneficial ingredients. Silhouette Eye Cream nourishes the area of the face that shows aging soonest while reducing visible lines. Features packed with beneficial ingredients. Silhouette Eye Cream nourishes the area of the face that shows aging soonest while reducing visible lines. The key is pure gold, which encourages elastin to maintain skin firmness. Gold also helps skin appear revived by absorbing oxygen and reduces blotchy appearance. And pomegranate extract's powerful antioxidants help fight signs of premature aging. Specification show to directions: apply on clean eye area. Spread upward and gently pat with fingertips until fully absorbed. Use twice daily. Ingredients: water, caprylic capric triglyceride, rosa cannana fruit oil, glyceryl stearate Se, cetearyl alcohol, olea europea fruit oil, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, phenoxyethanol, vitis vinifera seed oil, Prunus amygdalis dulcis oil, dimethicon, Butyrispermum parkii, Ocimum basilicum leaf extract, Anthemis nobilis flower extract, Enothera biennis oil, Borigo officinalis seed oil, triethylene glycol, honey extract, tocopherol acetate, Punica granatum extract, fragrance, gold. Face Serum with Vitamin C for Face Eyes Acne Best. Experience the anti-aging power of Strive Nature Vitamin C Amino Hyaluronic Acid. Most users report brighter, more radiant skin upon first use. You won't find a higher quality, more potent and effective vitamin C serum on the market. Gentle for all skin types including those with sensitive skin. Synthesis of collagen, makes years younger. Firmer dryness, hydration on face. Antioxidant that will reduce skin damage caused by the sun, cigarette smoke, UV ray and pollution. Have the best nature's vitamin C that helps to stimulate your skin for UV ray and pollution. Have the best vitamin C that helps to stimulate your skin for healthier, brighter, smoother and tighter, lighten dark under eye and puffiness skin treatment. 100% pure, natural, highest quality, superior anti-aging vitamin C serum. Effects: 100% satisfaction guarantee, made in USA, state-of-the-art FDA registered facility. Potent and effective vitamin C in the market. 100% pure hyaluronic acid stimulate the synthesis of collagen, which makes your skin appear years younger and more vibrant. Antioxidant properties that will reduce skin damage caused by the sun, pollution and cigarette smoke. UV ray and pollution have the best vitamin C that helps to stimulate your skin for healthier, brighter, smoother and tighter, lighten dark under eye and puffiness skin treatment. Diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Boosts collagen production for an instant youthful appearance. Beware of generic or cheap vitamin C serum. Here on Amazon there has been a large quantity of low-quality vitamin C serums flooding the market. Strive Nature Vitamin C Amino Serum is 100% pure, natural, a highest quality, superior anti-aging vitamin C serum that will give you dramatic results and help your skin look and feel 10 years younger. Fatco Miraculous Face Cream, natural anti-aging moisturizing cream infused. If you're looking for the real deal skincare, look no further than Fatco, a company that prides itself in producing real food for your skin. Lately my skin has been super difficult and unruly. I thought I had it good with a new regimen I found at the beginning of the summer. But, the truth is that there are a ton of junky products out there masquerading as healthy, all natural snacks for your skin. At first glance of the ingredients, you'll see a lot of oils and fats, and that might seem a bit odd, to say the least. Clean my face with oil? No thanks. But seriously, it works. Just hear me out. My face is a flood of oil in the T-zone, petty dry on the cheeks, and sensitive all over. I've tried dozens of products, but none have done the wonders that Fatco products have. All of Fatco's products are made in the USA and are Paleo certified. And there is something for everyone: men, women, and babies. For a full product review, visit Advent Products Hyaluronic Acid Serum with Vitamin C. I really like the serum. It is creamy and luxurious on my skin without being greasy. It absorbs well and I feel I don't need any other moisturizer. My skin feels and looks smoother. I like the pure and simple ingredients. And feel it is helping my mature skin look its best.